Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bryan here with All American Hauling Demolition. We're in Berkeley, California today, getting ready to do a little demo on this house. We're going to remove the kitchen cabinets, the vanities in the bathrooms, carpets, a little bit of drywall. Just going to do a little video and show you how we operate in case you're interested. Enjoy. Okay, we're coming into the property now. We're going to remove all this trash. They've already done some work in here, but we're going to get the rest of it finished up. All these appliances need to go. They had to do some asbestos work on the floors. That was done previously. If you need something like that done, let us know. I can recommend people for that. All these cabinets will be taken out from here. Coming back in here, we're going to remove the carpets in the hallways. Get rid of this vanity. There's a little more work done in this bathroom. That mirror needs to go, this cabinet. And then going up the stairs, all this carpet's gonna get removed. This is basically a pretty simple, straightforward job, but it probably will take most of the day. This carpet needs to go. Coming into this bathroom, this vanity is gonna go. The floor in this bathroom will get removed. We usually mark everything with orange paint so the guys know exactly what they're doing. And then looping around here, the carpet needs to get taken out. And that's about it in this house. We'll be back with another video to show you when we're done. All right, we're coming back into this house and everything is done, cleaned up. Everything's picked up that they wanted to go. Tack strips are off the floor. Got rid of all those old appliances and trash. Kitchen is all demoed. Everything they wanted gone is removed. I also cleaned this room up here. Bathroom is done, cabinets removed. Carpet is all taken away. Everything is getting ready for a light remodel. This place is going on the market soon to be sold. So they're just giving it a little bit of a facelift. Coming in here, you can see we removed the flooring, the vanity, and all that was left in here. All done. Hey everybody, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. If you like what you saw in the video and need some work done, be it big or small, give us a call or check the link below, or you can also text us. We'd love to give you a free estimate, day or night. Thanks again.